Silver against US dollar this week has risen in value. There was some kind of obstacles for going further up, but the price on a Monday formed a bullish candle, then returning back down with the bearish candle, then returning back up with a bullish, then it was in decision on a Thursday between the buyers and the sellers. We can see that a pretty large candle with a small body, and then again on a Friday the bulls has overtaken the fight and pushed the price even higher, reaching 47.93 resistance level. Weekly time frame shows us a pretty strong bullish candle, continuation of this several weeks bullish sentiment, and the price has reached this area of resistance, a pretty strong one. Monthly time frame shows us still bullish candle, and also we can see the previous month was a strong one, pushing the silver against US dollar to the higher price levels very strongly and reaching 47.937. Now what we can expect? Well, based on this one, we can see there is no stop. There is no resistance that could stop the silver going further higher, so I'm expecting that the price will try to reach higher price levels. The price is touching this area of resistance, so I cannot say where the price will retrace, where it is a strong resistance that will overtake this bullish sentiment, so it's not very clear to catch that and also predict that. It is especially the best to wait until the market makes a move and then follow the market. So for now I'm outside of the market on the silver. I'm not trading and also not looking to make a trade until the market comes down and finds some kind of resistance and support that I could also share with the traders inside the premium analysis. So for now everything for the silver looks bullish because we can see the bullish momentum is still active and there is no sign of the resistance of a strong one that could push the price back down. This was here an attempt from the bears around this area of resistance, but unsuccessfully because the bulls has overtaken and pushing the price to the higher price levels. So for the silver, I'm expecting that the price will try to reach higher price levels. We can see the next level will be 49.79 on the daily time frame. It's very close to the 50, which is a pretty strong resistance level and also psychological level that the price could expect retrace back down when it reaches here. So for now for the silver, I'm expecting that the price will rise in value, but also we can also check the lower time frames, which is a 4-hour time frame and also 1-hour time frame, to see how the price behaves around this area of support and the resistance. When there is a bullish breakout, like in this example, I will share that inside the premium analysis, where the traders gets information when the breakout happens, what is the target, where the price is heading. So feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders. There is a free access if you would like to join. You can read more details below and join other traders. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Also send me a private message if you have more questions how to join. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.